Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a question for you. Can you make money on YouTube without showing your face? I don't know about you guys, but I say it all the time. When I'm scrolling through YouTube, I get thumbnails pop up all the time saying make money without showing your face on YouTube. Usually I just scroll past them and I don't take that much notice of these kind of videos. But recently, they've kind of piqued my interest. So I started doing a little bit more research on it, and I've been watching quite a few of these videos, and I actually think there's a little bit of merit to doing this. So what I thought I was going to do was have a go at doing this and let you guys come along with me and see how I do. Now, this is not a course, this is just me having a go at it to see if it's something you could maybe put into practice and you could have a go at and make some money at too. So before we start, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get notifications when my next videos come out and you'll be able to follow along and see exactly how this works. And like I say, if you think it looks easy enough for me, it's something you can do, you can make a lot of money at this. So stick around. So what exactly am I talking about when I say creating videos without showing your face? Let's have a look. If I put in top 5, hit return, what we're going to get here is a whole load of sites with all sorts of videos. I'm going to take this one, top 5 best. Let's have a look at this. 4.6 million subscribers. Posted 22 hours ago, 58,000 views. But click on the video.
Today we're going to be taking a look at 10 abnormally strong animals that actually exist. Number 4 all the way to number 1 will definitely surprise you, so stay tuned for those.
So as you can see, what this channel does is just uses stock video and a voiceover over the top of it. So if we look at this channel, you can see they've got 4.6 million subscribers. And I've got Social Blade plugin, so I can quickly have a look at their statistics without actually going to Social Blade's site. But what this is showing is that they're roughly getting 500,000 views a day. Now this is a really good site, and they are making between $154 to $2,000 per day. It says there that their estimated monthly earnings are 118,000. and their estimated yearly earnings between 70 and 1.1 million. Well, I can tell you now from lots of research that it's generally at the higher end of this, so they could be making $1 million per year without showing their face. So this is the kind of thing we're going to be doing, and you can do this in any niche. If we look at some of the other niches, we've got this guy here, 5 creepy ghost videos that will make you scared. 3 million subscribers, 141,000 views in one day. He's making $1 million a year as well. All of these are doing so well. If we go to top 10, same thing. Top 10, you're going to get a few different channels. Watch Mojo. If you've never seen a Watch Mojo video, you've never been on YouTube. But they do exactly the same thing. They don't show their face. They're just putting video clips together and having a voiceover to it. And again, most amazing top 10, 6 million subscribers. Be amazed, 7 million subscribers. These guys are raking it in. And they all started, like us, behind a computer, taking clips off the internet and putting a voiceover to them. So this is what we're talking about in this video, making these kinds of videos. And I know you're probably thinking, you can't do that. Why can't you do that? You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to use your own voice if you don't want to. You can pay. You can go onto Fiverr and pay somebody to do a voiceover. I wouldn't recommend that in the beginning because it's going to work out quite expensive. I did look into that and it was going to cost me roughly $70 to $100 per video, and at this stage of the game I just can't justify spending that kind of money, although it would have made my videos a lot more professional because I don't think my voice is great for voiceovers, but I'm using my voice and I am getting views, and that's what counts. So I want to quickly show you the YouTube channel that I set up a few weeks ago. Like I say, I've based it on the animal niche. That's just what I decided to go for. So we're going to have a quick look at that now, and I'm going to talk you through that a little bit. Okay, so this is the channel that I've created. You can say I've called it the animal channel, and I just designed this in Canva, which is a free program you can find. I'm sure you've probably heard of Canva, but if not, check it out. It's really easy to use, and I also did this logo too. Now, I started this about 3 weeks ago. I've only got 2 subscribers. It's very, very slow to start when you do something like this, and I've created 3 videos so far. And you can see here I've got nice bold thumbnails, which is important for your click-through rate. And I use TubeBuddy to create these thumbnails. As you can see, so my first video was 3 weeks ago. It's only had 13 views. My next one was 2 weeks ago and it's had 56 views. And then the one that I did last week, only 7 views. And you can see what the subjects are. Would you trust these 10 dogs? Now, when I did this one, I didn't really do the keyword research. This one I did do keyword research, and this one I did keyword research for too. And I'm going to talk about the keyword research in a moment. So you can see it's very slow, but if I keep on putting out 4 or 5 videos per month, it's gonna slowly build. So let's just take a look at one of them. Welcome to the Animal Channel. In this edition, we are looking at unbelievable facts about animals. We all know cheetahs are the fastest land animal and elephants are the only animals that cannot jump. But did you know a wombat's poo is square? Or that a snail can sleep for 3 years? No? Well, in this episode, we are looking at 7 unbelievable facts you may not know. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss a video. So here we go, 7 unbelievable facts about animals. Monkeys washing in urine. So there you go. As you can see, this one's about 7 unbelievable facts. All of the videos you can see here are just stock videos. The words that I'm actually saying, I just made them up myself. I did a little bit of research online about animals and just wrote a small script to read from. And all of the motion graphics that you see were just done in Keynote. They're very simple, and it's used with a green screen to make these come out. So it's very, very simple to do that as well. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. It does take a lot of time. The first few videos are taking me quite a while to do, like 2 to 3 days, because I'm trying to make them look as good as possible. And it does take a lot of effort. So I want to quickly show you now, firstly, how while we're on this subject, where I get the stock footage from. And I did purchase a monthly subscription from Storyblocks, which is $40 per month, but that gives you access to the best amount of stock for the best price. And all you would do is put in your animal that you might want. So if you're doing top 10 dogs and you wanted a Labrador, you would just put in Labrador, and you'll get a load of videos that you can download and use. It's that simple. You can also find free videos on sites like Pexels, but watch what happens when you put in something like Labrador here. One video. They've got one video you can use. These ones down here are sponsored and they'll be extremely expensive. And that is the same with the other free one, Pixabay, doing the same thing, you're not going to get great results. You can get some videos from them, but they're not the best. You really are going to have to look at paying for something like Storyblocks to get the amount of stock that you want. And even with Storyblocks, I find that I'm still struggling to get all of the videos that I want. So what I tend to do is, and I'll let a little secret out here, when I did this video, Dogs You Could Trust, the list of these didn't have one of the dogs that I would have really had in. So I wanted to have a Burmese mountain dog. I just couldn't find any stock. I could not find any stock, even in the Storyblocks. So it just shows you it's not always easy to get the stock you want. But in general, you can find what you want. So I just download a whole load of these. Now, bearing in mind, 1 minute of speaking about, say, a Labrador is going to take around about 8 to 10 clips. So it's quite heavy on the clip downloads. So that's why you really need to have a site where you can download plenty of videos. The music I'm using for these, I just use Audio Library. So I'm just using the Audio Library for their free music for that. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I get my videos put together and make a how-to or a top 10 or a top 5 or the most incredible. But here's the thing, guys, it's all very well making these videos, but the secret to actually succeeding is all in the keyword research and knowing what videos you need to make. You can't just come up with an idea, create the video, upload it to YouTube and hope that people are going to find it. You need to know what videos to make and how to find the title of the video. This is all down to keyword research to make sure that you're getting a video that people are searching for. And I'm going to quickly show you that now. So what I've been doing to do this is I would go to YouTube and put in animals. Yep. Because that's my niche. Now let's see what is ranking well for animals. Funny Animals Live. That's the kind of thing I'm looking at. Funny Animals Live, they obviously do well. Animal Channel. Now this is the one that I actually saw. So what kind of videos are they putting? The best of. The best of. So let's go and put the best animals. The best. Let's just look down. If you put in half of your search, YouTube will actually show you what people are looking for. Is there anything animal related in there? No. So let's just put animals. The best animals in the world. Okay, so let's look at this one. The best animals in the world. We know people are searching for it, but is it possible to rank for it? That's what you need to know next. So we'll go across here and I've got vidIQ and I've also got TubeBuddy. Now it's TubeBuddy that I use. Now straight away it says very good. Search volume good, competition good, very good. So that's telling me this is a good search term to go for. Easy as that, guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and copy that. And I'm going to put it onto my list of other ideas that I'm gathering. So if you look down here, these are some of the ideas that I've already done this for to find good and excellent and even just good, not very good, search in the Search Explorer. So ideas that I've come up with, anything with unusual facts about. So if I go back here and just go to unusual facts about, it shows you what people are searching. Top search query is Diet Coke. Well, that's not my niche, so I'm not going to do that. But look at this. Unusual facts about animals. That's the second top search query when you put in unusual facts. So I know that that is something that is being searched. And hence the reason why I actually already done a video on unusual facts about animals. But as you can see, I'm showing you some of the other ideas. So 10 dogs you can trust, best dogs for, dot dot dot, anything. Best dogs for pets, best dogs for attacking people, best dogs for living in an apartment, best dogs for not needing to go for long walks. All sorts you can do. And then you do the other way. Worst dogs for living in an apartment, worst dogs for going for walks, worst dogs for attacking people. You can do versus battles, so a Labrador or Golden Retriever, which is the better dog. These are all terms that people are searching for. Big dogs versus little dogs. Best pets for ... and then you can just put as many different connotations to that as you like. Best pets for living in England, best pets for living in a cold environment, best pets for living in a hot environment, best pets for taken to the beach. I don't know, there's a million terms you can use. Unbelievable facts about animals, I've already done that one. Just looking down the list, these are some other search terms that I've looked at. What animal can kill a tiger? Biggest birds of prey. Now this is the one I'm going to do because it got a lot of search for that one. And all I need to do is go to Google, type in biggest birds of prey, find out which are the biggest birds of prey. So let's do that. Let's go to Google. Biggest birds of prey. 10 of the largest birds of prey. Let's click that. And we've got a list of birds of prey. Then all I need to do is go to here and put in my birds of prey. So one would be eagle. And I would find my clips and obviously not Pixabay, I made a mistake there. I would do that in Storyblocks. Birds of prey. And then I would pick all the videos that I want, create my video, upload it, and wait for the views. Obviously there's a few more bits and pieces that you need to do when it comes to ranking the video, and it's all very simple stuff. I'm not going to go in depth on that at the moment because it would take too long, but it's just things like putting in the keywords at the top and the keywords a few times in the description, and when you upload your thumbnail, you name your thumbnail the keyword. So just a few little things like that. And because we know that it's a keyword we can rank for or got a good chance of it, then you're going to start getting views, and then you're going to start getting money. It's as simple as that, guys. So that's just been a general overview of how I'm going to have a go at trying to make money from YouTube without showing my face. I am going to do some detailed videos on exactly how you do your keyword research, on how to choose titles for your video, how to find the video clips, how to get music for them, and I might even do how to edit them as well. So that's all to come in the future. If this is something you're thinking about doing or would like to give it a go, then I highly suggest that you hit the bell notification so that you can keep up to date with my videos and my progress. Hang back for a little bit, see if it works for me, rather than spending the money and going through all the work, because it is going to be a lot of work. Trying to upload a video every 5 days is what I'm doing. So there's a lot of research, there's a lot of video editing. It does take time. If you want to hang back for 6 months and see if it's working for me, then do that. If it works for me, it'll work for you as well, because I'm no expert at this. I'm just having a go at it. I've watched a few videos online and I'm having a go at it. So hopefully it's going to be a really good way to make a little bit of extra income online. And the good thing with YouTube, as the years go by, the views go up, it starts to really become passive income on the videos that you've already produced. If you really want to make a business out of it, you have to keep producing more and more videos to get more subscribers and more views. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that episode. If you did, check out some of my other videos over here. There might be something that interests you there. And don't forget to subscribe if you particularly are wanting to follow this series of videos that I'm going to be doing about how to make money without showing your face on YouTube. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.